Hey Aquarius, we about to check out your. I'm gonna check my camera out. My bad. We about to check out y'all next 48. All right, Spirit, what's going on with Aquarius? What is going on for their next 48 that they need to know about or that they're going to be experiencing? Let's see. This is for Aquarius, next 48. All right. I think this is your card. I think this is the star card for here. Give me 1 second. Let me pull this out. What's going on? Ooh, good energy. You guys are going to be in Empress mode, it looks like. XVII, the path of the stars. The silent guide that comes from above, inspiration, listening to an inner voice, benefits for the soul, spirituality, nostalgia for the past. So you guys may be visited by an ancestor or, someone that you love and care who exists within the divine realms outside of our physical one. It looks like you're going to be in your own energy. Some of you could be receiving guidance. Some of you could actually be providing guidance to others, or some type of understanding. But whoever it is, you're here to listen and you're paying attention. You're following the dance. You have your own drum. It's like you're gearing up and getting ready. Justice has popped out with Libra energy. The Page of Swords, air energy, and the Chariot. So I feel like in the next, 48 hours, you're showing up and you're ready. It's like you have your sword. You're ready to go and get justice for whatever this situation is that you're bringing light to. I feel like behind you, you have others who support you with this Chariot card. I feel like they support all parts of you with this yin and yang, so you make a well-rounded team and whatnot. Tell me, what is Aquarius saying with this Page of Swords and Chariot energy? What is Aquarius bringing out? Oh, the Ace of Swords. You're bringing out the truth. It's like I'm bringing out the truth at this point. Somebody's giving you the opportunity to tell your side of the story because you're on the side with the scales. Again, it's this King of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Four of Wands. So there could be I feel like you have a masculine who is overly loving or cares a lot about you. I feel like they paid attention, I guess, to the struggle or whatever it is that you have going on with your commitments or something like that. It's almost like somebody keeps looking out. This King of Cups is looking out. You have the Hierophant here, and you have this Four of Wands. But before this Four of Wands can commence, or someone can be, let go of from this, this commitment, it's like something has to go on with this King of Cups energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. There's some type of it's like somebody's being cold about, okay, you know how you call somebody out for something and like you're telling them or you're advising them that what they're doing isn't right. It's kind of like that. But for some reason, that's what is coming up. I don't know if that has to do with this truth right here, but somebody is showing up and they got something to say about this. This is enlightening. This is a download. This is something that may have even just came to you, but you're gonna speak up on it. What is this justice that's coming in with this Page of Swords energy? You have the Five of Wands and the Four of Swords. Some type of commotion, some type of chaos, some type of dismantling, something that is probably obstructive to your life is being laid to rest. On the bottom of the deck, you have the Five of Swords. Somebody is being blocked. Somebody is being given silent treatment. You're giving, you know what I'm saying? While it's like you're somebody's giving silent treatment, and they have to think about how in the past they didn't give to you appropriately the way that it was supposed to, and you would have been a great investment. Yes, you would have. You have Seven of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, that's 11 Pentacles, that's the Ace of Pentacles. After the 10 of Pentacles is gone, it would have been a fresh new start. But then you think about how this person breadcrumbs you, how this person may have had you in third-party situations. And, you know what I'm saying, it could have been, too, how maybe, like, with this Knight of Swords energy between you and them, you know, just the constant bickering, the arguments, and stuff like that. So I feel like you got something big that you're speaking for, and then you have, like, personal matters that, you know what I'm saying, you're taking care of on the back end, Aquarius. Page of Swords and the Justice card. You speaking about something that hasn't been spoken to before. You could be going to see a judge. You know what I'm saying? This energy of this justice could be coming in where somebody is laying down the law with these books right here. And what they're doing is they're going through these books and they're fact checking, or they're looking and they're seeing what's real versus what's false. And now with this Justice Department or this legal team or something, it's like they have something to present to you that I feel like it's going to make you and whoever's behind you very happy. Knight of Pentacles on the flip side, Eight of Cups, and the High Priestess. Somebody is coming, or I wouldn't even say somebody. This is more of an energy to me. Yeah, this, oh my God. Okay, because the Ace of Pentacles came up behind the High Priestess and the Eight of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles. It's an energy. You have something big that's coming in for you. It's coming in at a distance. It has been taking a long time. I feel like whatever this is, it has traveled to the moon and back just to reach you. But it's coming into play. And you're going to be able to have some say-so. Maybe that's what this is too, is that you could have, like, you speaking this out and speaking up for yourself on this. This is what changes the course of bringing in what you know you're supposed to have. Like, on the side of you are these two energies. Behind you is like the energy of God. In front of you is the energy of justice. You have somebody in this justice energy who never heard nothing like what you about to tell them. And now it's almost like they want to reward you back your crown. They want to be like, here you go. You need to go ahead and take that back. That fell off along the way, I see. And somebody should have been picked this up and gave it to you. Let me give you back your power. The Untold Story and this Ace of Swords. Yes. It's almost like, go ahead. Pass go. Collect the 200. Let's get away and let's talk about this. Six of Swords coming into that Ace of Swords. Somebody want to tell you, you're going to say something that puts you in a position to be safe. Your honesty is enlightenment. It is what brings safety to others. So like I said, with the star up top, you guys are either the ones guiding or you're receiving the guidance, or it's both at the same time, because we can be teacher and student. It's all about how you process the information, right, Aquarius? On the bottom of the deck, Eight of Pentacles, Capricorn energy, Six of Wands, Eight of Swords. You are finally coming out of a place of feeling trapped, of feeling stuck by a bunch of words, by a bunch of lies. You come into a place where your creativity is manifesting big time. You have people surrounding you. They want to help you with your work. They might even want to produce in your work. They want to take what was unknown here, and they want to, like, who knows, maybe create a story. Would you, you know what I'm saying? How much can I give you for this? Would you like for this to be a screenplay? Or would you, you know what I'm saying, would you let me sample this, you know what I'm saying, in my movie? Like, it's something like that. What does this Ace of Swords, I feel like heaviness, relief. I'm hearing relief. On the bottom is Judgment, Libra energy. What does this Ace of Swords bring in for the Aquarius? Ooh, yes, release. All of that you was holding in, that was keeping you up at night, that was tormenting you, you are letting it go, and you is letting it flow, baby. I'm telling you, all these swords, and somebody mad because oh my God, on the bottom of the deck, before I even finished shuffling, was this King of Wands. And then at the cut, when I was about to keep shuffling, was the Knight of Swords. Somebody mad, no, no, no. And then look, at the next part of the cut is the Emperor. No, no, no. That's not what happened. And they did this. And he or she did that. And whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop-de-why. But you don't have the evidence to prove it. That's what I feel like. There's no evidence here. And let me show you what was on the bottom of the deck. This is the Empress for this deck. This I'm gonna make me think of like Shiva, you know, from Indian like culture, and I hope I'm saying that right. You know, Middle Eastern religious beliefs. Yes. The Ace of Wands in reverse. You giving back that smoke, baby. Giving back them smoke, giving back the lies they told. It's kind of like, you know, somebody take something, take a knife, a dagger, and they rip it out their chest, but they accidentally fling it, and then it hit the next person. You know, they didn't mean to do that, but it happened. It's just like that. Queen of Wands energy, Leo energy. Y'all stepping into y'all like spiritual body, self. Y'all speaking with your highest self. You're not like using worldly tones, or, you know what I'm saying? You ain't even letting the BS get to you. It's just like, honey, stop talking to me. Bye. Bye. Come on. You in the way. You in the way. Ooh. And you, everything you giving back. You giving, whatever that work is that these people was doing, you giving all that back. All of this is being released. Six of Wands on the bottom of the deck. You have victory. You have something to look forward to. So let it go. And as you cry your heart out, as you boo-hoo, to this judge or whatever, because that's what I see. It's like all this steam is coming off your body. All this steam. Maybe you got so much heat in you. You're so angry. Remember that yin and that yang with the Chariot card, them two little line things down there. You got so much in you, and you finally get to let it out. And it's like when you let it out and release to the right person, and I mean the person that's going to make something happen, that's when all this stuff start going backwards. And that's when we start seeing that karmic wheel go into that reverse. So, yes, I love it. Thank you, Aquarius, for joining me. This is your next 48. Have a good one. Peace. It's Anomaly.